Pritesh Mehta of IIFL joins in. Hi Pritesh, we seem to be testing that 8,050 mark and are likely to perhaps even break it. What's your sense about the near term? What would be the next support, and is there a trade that you foresee on the Nifty?
Yes, the trade is on the short side. We have been bearish in the markets for a while, and events of last week, that is selling pressure from the peak of 8450 could easily be termed as a sell-off, and I think we should be a bit cautious. There is nothing wrong in caution in this market because we are in a downtrend. Nifty is continuously facing resistance, a downward sloping trend line. The same level also coincides with its 50-day moving average. We are also witnessing patterns of lower highs and lower lows. So unless these patterns are violated or Nifty makes a series of higher highs, we'll have to assume that this index is going to be in downtrend. See, the point I'm trying to make here is that we are witnessing distribution after every rally. So the scope of from current levels of any upside or any rally is very minimal. So I'm expecting selling pressure to continue, and in the process we might go back to 750 levels as well.
All right. Hi, Pritesh. Is that perhaps why you recommend all your sells? In fact, I was looking through one of your recommendations, which is a sell on OBC. Now, OBC is down 4% today. It's down 15% for the month, about 46% down from the start of 2015. Do you see further downside from here as well?
Yes, these numbers are, I think we should not give much importance because they are just figures. Because when the selling pressure intensifies in the bank Nifty basket, PSUs would be hardest hit. So I think that there is more to come on the downside on this counter. Now see, OBC is a classic case of a false breakout. In the last week of May, it gave a breakout from a downward sloping trend line, but it failed to sustain at the top. And in fact, in the process, it came crashing down, broke the breakout level as well. So suggesting the upside likelihood is less than ideal at this level. And in fact, we can see lower levels at 170 in the next couple of trading sessions.
All right, moving on to your other recommendations, a sell call on TCS.
Yes, TCS has topped out. It's quite unfortunate because in late April and early May, the stock had given a strong, remarkable recovery. But I feel that I think it has topped out because it has given a breakdown from a rising wedge pattern. We can also see patterns of lower highs and lower lows on the long-term charts. And it tells us that lower levels are coming. In fact, in the entire IT basket, Infosys is also looking for a deep correction from current levels. I think TCS could see levels of 2500 in the near term.
All right, and among your other recommendations, there's also a sell call on Ambuja Cement. Can you take us through that, and also a word on all the other cement stocks as well?
Yeah, I think entire cement space, ACC, Ambuja, even India Cements are going through a rough patch, and I think the weakness is going to continue. In the case of Ambuja Cement, it had a strong rally from October to March on the levels of 200 to 280, but it failed to sustain the top, and in fact after that it gave a constant decline. It got support around its 200 moving average, and it began a process of consolidation. Now this consolidation was in place for last 6 weeks. But unfortunately, in last week's trade, it broke down from this long trading range. And once this kind of breakdown takes place after a long big consolidation, it tells us that the correction is going to be deeper in this counter. So sell for target of 208.
Okay, Pritesh, any disclosures on these three stocks?
Yeah, we might have recommended these ideas to our clients, but no personal holdings.
All right. Thanks a lot. We'll leave it at that.